Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install LinkedIn on your Mac and use it just like a real desktop app. No downloads and no extra software required. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can click the Safari icon in your dock or press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to linkedin.com and wait for the page to fully load. Now look at the very top of your screen in the macOS menu bar. Click File, then select Add to Dock. A small pop-up window will appear. You can rename it to LinkedIn or anything you prefer. When you're ready, click Add. You'll now see a LinkedIn icon appear in your dock. Click it, and LinkedIn will open in its own separate window, just like a native Mac app. You can even close Safari completely, and LinkedIn will continue running on its own. And that's it. You've successfully installed LinkedIn on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials.